Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your details with Intuit, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your details with Intuit, start by visiting the official Intuit website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button. Enter your Intuit account credentials, including your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Profile or Account Information. Click on that section to view your personal details. Review the information displayed carefully. Make note of any details that require verification or updating. If you find discrepancies, click the Edit button next to the relevant information. Update your details as necessary. Ensure that your email address is up to date, as this is crucial for account recovery. Next, verify your phone number if it's listed in your account. If you need to change your phone number, click on the Edit option. Follow the prompts to enter and confirm your new number. After updating your information, look for an option to save changes. Click Save to ensure all your updates are recorded. You may be asked to verify your identity by answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification step. Once verification is complete, double-check that all your information is correct. Log out of your account for security purposes. You have now successfully verified your details with Intuit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.